In this video, we'll cover how to calibrate your ESCs using the VOXL 2 I/O board and the new VOXL 2 I/O PX4 driver. To begin the process, we'll start by shutting down our drone. Now that our drone is powered off, we can go ahead and disconnect the PWM output cable from our VOXL 2 I/O board. Now that we have our cable unplugged, we can go ahead and power our drone back on. Now that our drone is powered back on, we'll just do a quick check to make sure that VOXL PX4 is running. We can either ADB shell or SSH onto the drone, whichever is your preferred method is fine. To check for VOXL PX4 running, we'll just do VOXL inspect services real quick. Alright, so you can see that VOXL PX4 is running, so that means that we should be good to go to begin the calibration process. To begin the process, we'll issue the command px4-q shell space voxel2 _ io space calibrate _ ESCs. Once we issue this command, we'll have 10 seconds to plug our PWM output cable in. And there you go, the process is complete.